Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Alfatron Electronics What's in the Box. Today we'll be taking a look at our digital Dante to analog converters. Let's get started. Well, so there we go guys. We have three of the Dante to analog converters, or analog to Dante, either which way. And basically we have first off the input converter, so that's analog audio input to Dante. We have an analog audio output converter, which means it does Dante audio input to analog audio output. And then we have the USB converter, which is essentially a two-channel device with both input and output. And that basically then converts your USB audio to a Dante stream. And that's then connected to your PC. So we'll take a look at them all three just a little bit in quick succession. So starting off with the input converter, or the input adapter. So there we go, that's what it looks like inside the box. And basically when you pull it out, you will see that you have the unit already pre-molded with its case and with its connectors, everything on it. So it is essentially ready to go out of the box. So there you are. So it features, again, like I mentioned, two channels of analog audio input. So this can go into your mixing desk, it can go directly to a microphone or a different line source of some sort, and you can then convert that to a Dante output. So as you would suspect, the Dante is on your network, so that's your LAN connection, and the LAN connection also then powers the device over PoE. So essentially you can take the device as is, plug it in, open up your Dante controller and route it directly inside Dante controller, and you're ready to go basically. Then inversely, as you would expect, the output adapter does exactly the same thing but in reverse. So this unit then, as we mentioned, pull it out the box here for you. That then is our output adapter. So now you have a Dante input on your LAN connection, again powered over PoE, to your two male XLR outputs that then can go to a speaker. You can take now a Dante source of some sort and output it to a mixing desk, take it to a different system, but essentially it gives you two analog outputs on the unit. So there you go. On both these systems, you'll see that there's two little indicator lights. Those indicator lights will then turn on once you have routed signal, and when signal then passes through the system, it'll indicate that there's audio flowing on those two channels. So that's the input and output adapters. If we then quickly have a look at the USB one, again the USB adapter, as its name entails, it is a USB connection that you then connect to your PC, and then your Dante connection on LAN, again powered over PoE, all three devices. So PoE, not PoE plus, so you don't actually have to have PoE plus switches. But there you go. So now you would connect USB connection to your laptop, and that will then allow you to receive an input and an output channel of Dante to USB on your PC. So now you can do playback from your PC, or you can bring in a Dante channel from your Dante network and record it over USB on your PC. Well, that's a wrap for this video and this episode of Alfatron What's in the Box. We hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, like always, if you have any questions, you're welcome to hit us up on our webpage at alfatronelectronics.com, or alternatively, like and subscribe to the video, to the channel, hit the bell, hit the notification. You know what to do. We'll see you next time.